I managed to get these.
Was there nothing else?
They're everywhere.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Something happened out there.
What happened?
They came out of nowhere.
I'm alright. Just get off of me.
Have you been bitten?
No, I'm fine. Just leave me alone.
Have you?
You were out there with me. You would have seen if I got beat. Don't you think that?
Do any of you want something to eat?
What did you manage to get?
Can we not change the subject?
Are you alright?
Yeah. I'm just tired from being out there.
Just show me your arms.
Why should I?
If I have nothing to hide, then why would you show me? Show me.
It's barely anything. It's just basically a scratch.
Get out.
Are you crazy? You can't send her out there.
She'll turn. You want her here when that happens?
Come on, guys. It's Christmas.
No, it's not. It's a freaking zombie apocalypse, and you haven't bitten.
She's right. We need to go.
We? What do you mean by we?
I got bit too.
This can't be happening.
Come on, guys. You cannot send us out there. We don't know for sure if it's this what turns people.
We know. Why are you taking that? We need it.
It's a bee just outside. I'm not gonna do it here.
No, please. Maybe it won't turn you.
Oh, I see. Because he has been bitten, you're willing him to let him stay, but not me?
You're either gonna say when it's me, or you're turning to one of them. Either way, we're leaving here now. Take care of each other.